Star bright, first star I see tonight.
Hey guys, so today I have a squishy package from SillySquishies, as you can tell, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. I ordered it on Friday, and last Friday, and today's Thursday, so it took almost a week. I'm really excited. So, let's go open it. Okay, so I didn't look at it, but I smelled it, and it literally smells like vanilla. Oh my goodness. I want to squish. Wow, that feels amazing. Okay, I'm pretty sure. Oh wow, that's what smells so good. So here's cute. She's sending the boxes so we can make them. So this is everything I got. So now I'm going to show you a close-up. First I got this high chew. It looks really good. I'm going to eat that. Okay. So, here is my Baymax squeeze toy. Oh, so cute. I love this. Okay. Then I have this little turtle. I actually really like it. I'm just afraid the head's going to fall off. Probably is eventually. Next, I have this heart emoji. And I did make the box for it. I bought these two before from SillySquishies. The coloring's a lot different. And this one's a lot better material. Because I thought it was going to be like this, not like this. So I'm not quite sure about that. And then last but not least, my Hello Kitty Dream Puff. And I did make the box. So I'll give it a squish. Yeah. This is so soft. I love it. I hope it doesn't get defective though, because it's so pretty. This is probably my favorite Hello Kitty squishy. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!
Dollar wishes.